This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual-zone climate control, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a premium audio system, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, hill start assist, XM satellite radio, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.